Tornado sirens just went off. They lasted for the first time. This is the second round. They went off about 5 minutes ago, and they lasted for about 3 minutes, or 3 or 4 minutes. Now this is the second round. Now the other siren is sounding along with the other one. There's a lot of lightning. It's really calm. I mean, it's really calm. Just a lot of lightning. There's no rain, nothing. Steve's moving his van over so he can put my van in the garage. All I gotta say is just pray, that's all. And hope that it's just a warning, that's all. Yes, I'm freaking out because the last freaking tornado we had was in April of 2011. And it was an EF3. We have a basement. The kids are down there now, so are the cats. You can't see Steve. I just turned my van on. There's the lights. Just putting my van in the garage. I don't like this. I really don't. I may be freaking out for nothing, but I don't know. We're pretty safe where we're at. We have a basement. Okay, my van's in the garage. Steve's about ready to close the door. The rain's picking up a little bit. Both of the sirens are going off. The one that you hear continuously is the old siren that we had prior to April of 2011. The second siren that you have sounds like an intermittent siren. There it goes, they're both starting to shut off. The intermittent siren that you hear was one that was added after 2010 tornado.